5 सितंबर 1986 को भारत से न्यूयॉर्क जाने वाली पैन एम फ्लाइट नंबर 73 को कराची में 4 आतंकवादियों ने हाईजैक कर लिया था। जब आतंकवादियों ने अंधाधुंध गोलीबारी शुरू की तब एक भारतीय लड़की ने अपने वीरता का प्रदर्शन दिखाते हुए 360 लोगों की जान बचाई और 3 बच्चों की जान बचाते बचाते वो खुद शहीद हो गए। दोस्तों, ये कहानी उस जाबाज लड़की की है जिससे भारत के साथ साथ पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका ने भी सम्मानित किया, और उस जाबाज लड़की का नाम था निर्जा हरीश भानोट। Girls, have you heard about Nirja Bhanot?
She was the flight attendant on a Pan Am flight.
शी वॉज एयर होस्टेस जिसने बहुत लोगों की लाइफ बचाई थी जब प्लेन हाईजैक हो गया था.
And she died saving like 3 to 5 kids.
She's done a very courageous act by putting her life on risk and saving so many lives. So she's been brave, not like other ladies who just sit at home, do some household work. She's really acted in a very courageous way.
She basically was taking care as if they were her own people. So unknown people, but they were her own people.
जब से उनके मूवी का प्रमोशन ये सब टेलीविजन पे शुरू हुआ है तब से पता चला है कि निर्जा बानो है कौन.
आपके हिसाब से कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन आपके सामने आती है तो आप क्या करेंगे?
मैं भाग जाऊंगी. पैराशूट लेके नीचे.
वो रनवे पे था, वैसे वो उड़ रहा नहीं था.
I would have given my best. Depends on the situation, but I'm pretty sure I would try saving as many people as I can.
हम सामने वाले इंसान को बचाएंगे क्योंकि हमारे अंदर भी वो ह्यूमैनिटी है.
जन्म ले रहे हो तो मरना तो है ही एक दिन, तो किसी के लिए कुछ करके ही मरो. दैट्स ग्रेट.
वन थिंग, अगर आपको इंडिया के लिए कुछ करना है, हमारी कंट्री के लिए कुछ करना है, तो आप क्या करना चाहोगे?
I would like to help people. Like basically, it is like I really love helping poor people, poor child. So I can do that. That's it.
I don't want to see poverty around, and I don't want to see women who are beaten up. I don't want to see women sitting just at home.
Make India proud. Write a lot of books.
मैं UPSC करना चाहती हूँ ताकि मैं सोशल सर्विस में जाऊँ एंड लोगों को मदद करूँ. Children who do not really get a chance to educate themselves, I want to educate all of them.
Something for these poor girls जिनको एजुकेशन नहीं मिलती है प्रॉपरली, एंड यू नो समथिंग उनके रिलेटेड.
I would like to reduce all the hatred that people have for each other and sort of just spread a lot more kindness and humility among people.
I want to go to all the poor people, and yeah, I want to see that old people don't die alone. There is someone around them all the time who is, you know, constantly concentrating on them, because once you reach the old age, you feel everyone is ignoring you.
I do something for animals because humans, they can do something for themselves, but animals, they are really helpless.
I want to open an animal shelter and voluntarily animal shelter.
आपको क्या लगता है कि ये आजकल के यूथ क्या वैसा करेज रख सकते हैं जैसा निर्जा बानोट ने वो टाइम पे रखा?
I think courage we all have. It's just that in the right situation, your brain has to be active enough. In the situation, in the circumstances, you have to act rightly.
You may have talent, you may not have talent, but do carry a right attitude in your life, which is very important. Attitude takes you to the pinnacle of success.
अशोक चक्र से सम्मानित किया गया था उनको, तो ये बहुत ही फक्र की बात है हमारे देश के लिए.
इस हिम्मत को बढ़ावा देना बहुत अच्छा लगा. टेलीविजन पे आया.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि इस तरह की मूवी और बने.
As far as I'm concerned, I in fact ask my students to definitely watch it.
I've read a lot and I've seen the movie and I'm pretty excited for the movie.
Obviously, I was yesterday telling my friends that we will go first day, first show.
Even if you are an ordinary person, but when the time comes and if you do a little small courageous thing, it makes a lot of difference and you become a part of the history.
We're gonna miss our lectures and go for the movie.
Once you go through the gamut of emotions, as Nirja, you realize that everybody has it in them to be this kind, strong, compassionate young person, and I felt her every minute of me shooting this film, and it was a catharsis for me. I felt inspired to be better, honestly.
मैं literally salute करता हूँ उनके इस courage को.